What do you think of the camera art?
That's cool. I like
You're
the sun.
funny.
It's cool. I don't think you can record the camera.
I'll put pictures on it.
Okay.
It's not up yet, but
Wait.
yeah, when you guys watch this, it should be up.
Yeah, I'm sick.
Yeah, my poor
I'm dying.
typewriter is sick.
She just laughs at me.
Ew.
I saw the candy.
No.
My feet. I don't know if that's a candy.
That is.
Oh yeah.
I know it's not actually. I lied. Hey David, what's it like outside?
It's like death. Did you record outside?
No, I was going to because it was like so scary. It was like.
The wind gust over 50 miles per hour.
We should go check it out real quick. Hold on. I'm home and I forgot to record the windy winder, but like, it doesn't really look that windy right now.
What are you doing?
I'm recording. I'm vlogging.
Yeah, we have 5 days of school left.
Let's go see.
Well,
She
yeah.
has 5 days of school left. That turd.
It's on the Sunday.
Okay.
We have some days on that Sunday. And my reception's on Saturday.
Well, I guess it was like up to 50 miles per hour winds. And there's a whole bunch of like branches everywhere. Let's see that over there. That stick thing. And those trees are kind of blowing. The grass isn't. I don't understand that. But yeah, and it was really windy and it was like hard to walk. It was like. Hi, Frankie. Did you go to the bathroom? There's the plant. Come on, let's go bathroom. Go back. Go back. Maybe she'll go. Maybe she won't. Come on, go, stinky dog. Go. Go. Fast. She's a weirdo. That's my dog for you. Shoes. Let's chew them. Let's chew Shelby's shoes. With her
Don't
little
chew on my shoes.
Velcro. Ha 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 ha. That's funny. Young dog. Young dog. Frankie, you were watching Animal Planet? You like it? You have a nice day? Watching Animal Planet? Yeah? Sit. Hey. Okay. Good girl. Good girl. Shake. Good girl. Bye. Oh, snap. Whoosh. Yeah. Oh, that bird is so cool. Read it.
That's so weird.
Frankie's looking at his cat. This is the stare off of doom. Stupid cat. Get it, Frankie. Get him out of the yard. Meow.
To me, it does.
There's the food. Shelby made it from a box. You look nice today, Shelby.
Thanks. Not really.
Nice shirt, too.
What's in your shirt?
And there's my cream soda. And Shelby's water, because she likes to stay healthy.
No, I just don't like soda.
Oh.
I
Okay.
think it's kind of gross.
Except you drink Crushed.
Yeah, I thought that was gross and I only drink half of it.
Phone.